Here is the new Air King model 126900. It can be distinguished from the previous model, the 116900, because of the 05 instead of the 5 for the 5-minute indicator. The old the old Air King also was essentially Milgauss with a different face. It had the same case and movement as the old Air King had the same face, case and movement as the Milgauss. So the old Air King had a Faraday cage inside of its case. This model does not. The new 126900 has the 3230 in-house, the new in-house 3230 Rolex movement, 70-hour power reserve parachrome hairspring Paraflex shock absorbers. All in all, a really sharp, sporty Rolex, not as stuck up as some of the other models.